There was a retired commander from the Navy who couldn't swim. He called me a terrorist on a whim. He refused to feed his own grandkids, so I did instead of him. Now his pacemaker's running out of juice and his chances are grim. I've had a knife to my throat twice. Once in Pune, Bangalore, and once in Chennai. I've even had a guy from the Soviet Union challenge me to a kickboxing match at the break of dawn near a fire station in the United Kingdom. A bald guy in the Union once came to my hotel to threaten me in the United Kingdom. So I've dealt with dumbasses like you and your friends before, Hanuman kind. Your friends like to use fear tactics. So please convey my regards to your beeper financier, his sister, your relatives in Manantwadi and Todapura, to the Rakshasi in the ashram, and your friends in jail as well. And also, let the cop who was shadowing me a few months back know that I remember his face like it was yesterday.